Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Today we're making Biscoff Rice Krispie treats. So to get started with these Biscoff Rice Krispie treats, I got 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm gonna let this get melted down for a little bit. So then we're gonna go ahead and melt 10 ounces of marshmallows. This humidity in Houston got these a little sticky. Forgive me. And while this is melting, we're gonna go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of cookie butter. So you just wanna keep this on a medium to low heat so it just gets all incorporated and melted, but you don't want it to burn. So just keep working with it. I have 7 cups of Rice Krispies already in this bowl. And then I'm gonna take out 15 Biscoff cookies. Just give them a quick break with the hands and just kind of crumble them up. Want to make sure we get all this Biscoff flavor in here. Give it a quick little toss. If you want to use a spoon, you can. I don't mind just using my hands real quick. Once we have all that in there, that mixture, while it's still nice and warm, we're going to pour right over top. Make sure you have a big enough bowl, because now this is just going to be a lot of tossing. Make sure all this gets evenly incorporated all over all the Rice Krispies. All right, so now we're going to take the rest of these marshmallows, and hopefully yours aren't as sticky as mine, but I'm just going to try to spread them out best I can. Like I said, this Houston humidity got me with this bag. Don't let marshmallows sit in your car when you live in Houston. That is the moral of the story. And then we're going to take some white chocolate chips. About 4 ounces of white chocolate chips. Then we're gonna get this all stirred up a little bit more. You wanna wait on the white chocolate chips whenever you incorporate them to let the mixture cool down slightly, because you don't want them to melt too much. I have a 9x13 casserole dish with parchment paper already in it. So now we're just gonna scoop this mixture all in. So then I like to take another piece of parchment paper, put it over top, kind of use my hands to spread it out. Then I bring out my burger press. Work my way around all the edges. Get everything nice and incorporated and even. It's not a bad workout either. Once you have them all flattened in, you can remove the top. We're just going to wait for them to cool slightly, and then we're going to melt some white chocolate, put it over top, and add a little bit more Biscoff cookie butter. So I took the rest of that white chocolate chip, melted it down, and then we're just going to pour it over our Rice Krispies, our Biscoff Rice Krispies, I should say. Once we get this all out, got my other spatula, and we're just going to spread this on evenly. Now we have the rest of that cookie butter, and we're just going to drizzle that over top as well. Just gonna let this set, and then we'll be able to cut into it in about 5 minutes. Now it's time for the taste test. Just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut me off a nice little corner piece. I was debating how big I wanted to cut this for y'all. I mean, I know how this tastes. I'm already anticipating it, but y'all gonna see. Give me a minute. The thing I love most about these, it's a lot, but they're not too much. You still get the taste of the crispy rice cereal, but then it just explodes with that Biscoff flavor and the white chocolate on top. It's the perfect pairing.